Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Independence is the blessing of Almighty Allah. It is the name of breathing in the free air, moving anywhere and anytime with one's own will, with no restrictions whatsoever. Independence is the name of justice, freedom, equality, peace, and serenity of mind. And that independence, thankfully, we are having today in this pure land of Pakistan. Every blessing has had a good price behind. So is with the independence we are enjoying today here in Pakistan. It has come with a lot of sacrifices and decades of struggles behind. It has the blood, the hard work, the sacrifices, and the countless other things. It is an open secret that before independence we were the slave under British in United India. Our very rights and obligations were under an unprecedented attack. Blessed be those leaders whose efforts gave us this country like Pakistan. The efforts of Iqbal, the hard works of Qaid-e-Azam and other countless independence stars went through successfully. And what we got today, a fresh and free air to breathe and to live as per our rules, regulations, cultures and values. History is a good lesson. It indeed reminds us of our true value, prestige and power. The history of Muslim struggles under United India bears a glaring testimony to the fact of Muslims' struggles, an intense aspiration for a true and free state for the Muslims. That history of struggles and sacrifices teaches us how much our country, Pakistan, is valued. It reminds us of our true aim and purpose behind the creation of Pakistan as an independent state. 14th August Day comes to remind us of our unmet and ignored commitments and responsibilities. Being the true representatives of this land today, we are having a huge responsibility on our heads. We are responsible for the development, progress, prosperity and peace of our nation. We have stuck to the point of unity, integrity, discipline and faith as said by our great Qaid. Pakistan is meant to stay forever here. None can undo it. Therefore, being a responsible future of my country, I make the commitment of working hard, stay disciplined, loyal, sincere, truthful and obedient citizen of Pakistan. I would serve my countrymen with honor, dignity and sense of pride. Pakistan Zindabad.